So we are coming to the fag end of the course, and I need to note something. We have tried sowing roughly 24 saplings so far as different joys in computing, and these saplings will grow onto trees. By that I mean we have only introduced the concepts the naive way. In fact, for every single concept that we have taught, there is an advanced version. It's for you to look into it, and of course we can help you out if you can ask us for more details. Now, going ahead with the next joy, you all know how WhatsApp works. Ever wondered how to automate it? This very process is called the browser automation. So let's see how you can automate WhatsApp messages by learning this concept called browser automation.